Picture this, a dystopian future, replicants on the loose, and one man tasked to reel them in. Welcome to the world of Blade Runner. But hold on, isn't this sounding eerily familiar? In the iconic 1982 movie, we witnessed drones zipping across the cityscape, a technology that was pure science fiction then. Fast forward to today, and drones are part of our everyday lives. From delivering packages to capturing stunning aerial views, these unmanned aerial vehicles are changing how we live and work. But it's not just about convenience. Drones are playing a crucial role in surveillance and reconnaissance, mirroring the futuristic tech of Blade Runner. The line between real and real is blurring. The sci-fi world of Blade Runner, once a figment of imagination, is now a tangible reality. So the next time you see a drone whizzing by, remember, it's not just a gadget, it's a testament to the power of imagination and human ingenuity. If you're intrigued by the convergence of movies and technology, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing connections between the real and the real world. Because here, we don't just watch movies, we live them.